In this FreeCAD tutorial, you learn how to assemble a threaded part and a cap to a bottle model. When you have created a new document, select the Assembly Workbench. Then create a new assembly and select the Insert Component button. You can also access the button here. Click on Open File to insert your models. First, select the threaded bottle model. Then click on Open File again and select the bottle cap model. First, click on the main body of the bottle model. Before you insert, you first have to save this assembly document. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. After the document is saved, the bottle model has been inserted. Now click on this thread body to insert it. You see it's located here at the bottom. Finally, click on the body of the bottle cap to insert it. Then click on OK to finish the model insertion. This lock icon shows that the part you inserted first is grounded, so it cannot move. To hide this icon, expand Joints in the tree and click on the eye icon. To move a part freely, hold the Alt key together with the left mouse button so you can drag parts to a better position. Now let's add some assembly joints. Click on these two edges while holding the Control key. Then add a fixed joint. It's not necessary now, but it's possible to add an offset or rotation angle. Click on OK to apply the joint. To fix the cap on the bottle, select these two edges while holding the Control key. And add another fixed joint. To look into the model, click on the View tab and select Clipping View. Select the X or Y plane and rotate the model if necessary. To position the cap correctly, you have to add an offset. Enter an offset of 0.5 mm and click on OK to apply. Also close the Clipping View menu. So this is how a simple assembly works with the FreeCAD Assembly Workbench. A total of 3 parts were assembled: a bottle, threaded neck, and a cap. By clicking the eye icons, you can hide each model. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.